Hi, it's Cheryl Eisen from Interior Marketing Group. Welcome to the West Village. Known for its tree-lined streets, endless charm, and historic brownstones. Today, we're exploring 75 Bedford Street, and if you like private city living that combines the best of old world charm and sleek modern design, then this is the home for you. Stepping inside, you'll discover this lofted living room, and as you can see, it's full of natural light. This double-height, south-facing wall of windows frames garden views and immediately transports you. This modern curved sofa and organically shaped rug creates visual interest, along with three-dimensional art and geometric sculptures. We hung a grid of mirrors across from the front door to bounce light and make the space feel even bigger. The result of this is a space that looks less like a gallery and more like a warm and welcoming first impression that makes you want to see more. As we descend to the garden level, we pass through the kitchen and the dining area and step into this great room. We accentuated the dramatic 18-foot ceilings with cascading linen drapes alongside this towering wall of windows that open to a private patio. We used warm, neutral earth tones in the art and the furniture that play off the room's abundant natural light. A custom IMG-made coffee table in rich walnut anchors the space, and a large-scale cream-colored area rug ties it all together. Just imagine the entertaining possibilities. Down here or up there, inside or out. In fact, this home has 3 outdoor spaces. And for movie night or the big game, there's a sumptuous home theater downstairs. We wanted to accentuate the design drama while making sure it still felt welcoming. We did that with a sexy color on the wall and by bringing in a plush sofa you just want to melt into. Oh, and speaking of sexy, let's take a look at the primary bedroom suite. Isn't this just the perfect place to relax after a long city day? Who wouldn't want to catch some Z's here? One of the hallmarks of our company is we always use these custom-made headboards. They're visually dramatic yet warm and comfortable. We also added in these built-in sculptural sconces. This room also has large windows and a cute terrace, both overlooking the treetops of the West Village. And for a spa day, you don't have to go any further than down the hall. This primary bathroom has it all, including one of our signature curved sofas. This room was designed with one purpose: relaxation. I hope you enjoyed checking out this West Village townhouse, where the classic meets the contemporary and lives happily ever after. I'll see you again soon.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop us a like and subscribe.